let me show you how easy it is, and within 5 minutes you can already sell on Shopee using Kumoten system. Now, search for the product. We have thousands of products to sell. So search for a product that you want to sell on your Shopee. Alright, let's say it is this. Okay, click on add to my store. Go to my store. And then here we will start to sync the product that you want to sell. Click on the Shopee icon. Click on the category that you want it to put in. And then the template. Click on next. Title done for you right here. Alright. Product description done for you as well. Brands, price, everything is inside. Click sync on Shopee. Wait for it as it's syncing to your store. And you have done. So this product is already on sale at your Shopee store. As fast as that, I just did less than 1 minute to upload one product. So easy, right? So join Kumoten now and enjoy all this benefit.